Students, so far in this chapter we have studied methods of preparation of alkyl halides, their classification and physical properties of alkyl halides. Now we will start with chemical reactions of alkyl halides. Chemical reactions means reaction of alkyl halides with various reagents. Our first chemical reaction is action of aqueous NaOH or aqueous KOH. You can see that action of concentrated or strong bases alkyl halide plus aqueous NaOH or aqueous KOH in presence of heat, it gives alcohol plus NaX or KX. It depends on which base you have used. So alkyl halide reacts with aqueous alkali to give alcohols, in short. Now we will see examples of NaOH and KOH each, and we will try to discuss the reaction. CH3 CH2 Cl plus NaOH aqueous in presence of heat. I told you there will be displacement reaction of this OH and chlorine, and we get CH3 CH2 OH plus NaCl. This will be ethyl chloride and product will be ethyl alcohol. We can use KOH instead of NaOH. So another reaction will be CH3 CH Br CH3 plus KOH aqueous in presence of heat. Students, I have taken here isopropyl bromide. Here same thing will happen, displacement of bromine by this OH group, and we will get CH3 CH3 OH plus KBr. Isopropyl alcohol will be the product. So when alkyl halide reacts with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide in aqueous condition, it gives corresponding alcohol and byproduct. Ethyl chloride reacts with sodium hydroxide, it gives ethyl alcohol plus sodium chloride. Isopropyl bromide reacts with potassium hydroxide and it gives isopropyl alcohol plus potassium bromide. Second chemical reaction of alkyl halide is action of sodium alkoxide. Action of sodium alkoxide on alkyl halide. In this reaction, we get ether as a product. Therefore, this reaction is also called as formation of ether. Now, I will tell you how to prepare sodium alkoxide, because this is new reagent for us. Sodium alkoxide. The formula of sodium alkoxide is RONA. RONA. This sodium alkoxide is derived from alcohol. Means when ROH, it is alcohol, hydrogen of this alcohol is replaced by Na. We get RONA, and this is our sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide, and this sodium alkoxide reacts with alkyl halide in this particular chemical reaction in presence of heat to give ether and corresponding byproduct, sodium halide. Students, remember, we can prepare symmetrical ethers as well as unsymmetrical ethers depending upon our reactants. So we will take one example of formation of symmetrical ether and another example of formation of unsymmetrical ether with the help of sodium alkoxide. First will be CH3Cl plus NaOCH3 in presence of heat. This is our methyl chloride and here we have taken CH3ONa. CH3 means methyl. Therefore, name of this compound will be sodium methoxide. Sodium methoxide. Very simple reaction. Byproduct is NaCl and main product will be CH3OCH3 plus NaCl. Name of this product will be dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether plus sodium chloride. Another example, we'll take different alkyl groups to prepare unsymmetrical ether. We will have CH3Br plus NaOC2H5 in presence of heat. This is methyl bromide ethyl group is attached to this sodium, therefore name of this compound will be sodium ethoxide. Students, the remarkable thing is we have taken different alkyl groups so that in our product we will have unsymmetrical ether. So after byproduct of NaBr we will have CH3OC2H5 as the main product plus NaBr. CH3OC2H5. There are two different alkyl groups attached to oxygen. This is ether. Alphabetically, E of ethyl comes first. Therefore, name of this compound will be ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether and sodium bromide will be the byproduct. So, in our first example, we took CH3Cl plus sodium methoxide in presence of heat and the product of dimethyl ether. In second example, methyl bromide, we reacted with sodium methoxide in presence of heat and the product is ethyl methyl ether.